Hey guys. I hope you're having an amazing day. I wanted to come share some insider knowledge with you guys about how I got started with my travel business, you guys. And I always talk about it, talk about what I do. I show you guys video of me traveling. Recently here, I shared one video with you guys where you can get more information about what I do, but I want to at least share another couple of videos with you guys that will explain more. And then if you have questions, you can definitely inbox me, email me, visit my website to get more information on how you can get started. But I basically partnered with a host agency. There's two ways that you can become an agency owner. One, you can go out and do it yourself. It's going to cost you a lot of money, probably about $20,000. But what I did was partner with a host agency. It only cost me $200 to start my business. And for me, that was the best decision because it's more cost effective and I have access to a lot of insider information. So I wanted to talk to you guys about that. And with it being cost efficient, you also have access to training that you can do right at your own fingertips on your own time, right? Of course, I get to make my own schedule. I have mentors, and when you start, if you decide to go the route that I went, you would have a mentor as well. You also have me as a mentor, right? So that's amazing. We have all kinds of things in place that connect us to one another to be able to have someone there to assist us when we need help. Another thing is that the route that I took, you have access to direct vendors such as Carnival, such as Disney, such as Royal Caribbean. The list goes on and on and on, right? So you have access to those suppliers because of the relationship that you have with the host agency, and that host agency has a relationship with so many suppliers that now you also have access to them. When you start, you would get a IATA number, which is something that you need as a travel agent. I think I heard that the IATA number costs about $10,000 if you were to get it yourself. But because you're a partner with a host agency, you have access to that type of information, which allows you to be able to book travel for your clients. You also, of course, you have ongoing support just because of what I just mentioned. You have that from your host agency as well as your mentor, right? It's a lot that you have access to. So I'm just trying to think of everything and share everything with you. I've been in business now for going on 2.5 years, and I absolutely love it. I have a team of people that I help do the same thing that I'm doing. Most people don't know that you can book travel yourself. They also don't know that when you're booking that travel online, that there's already a commission built into it. So me and you, we can go online and we can book the same thing. However, you're booking it and you're paying somebody else. I'm booking it and I'm getting paid, right? So that is something that you definitely want to take into account and consider when you're booking travel, especially if you're booking those girls trips, those guys trips, those family reunions, stuff like that. That's something that'll come in handy for you. Now, me personally, I specialize in groups and I specialize in tropical destinations. And so that's something that you can do when you start your business. You have to find a niche. So your niche can be anything you want it to be. I know people, and some of my business partners, they specialize in Disney. Some specialize in cruising. People specialize in different things. Now, I love groups and I love destination trips. I do also specialize in Carnival, but most of my clients, they take destination trips. So that's where I am with it right now. But again, you can come into this business and do whatever it is that you desire. Yeah, I think that's about it. So now what I'm going to do, if that's something that you might be interested in, you found this video helpful, you guys, first of all, like, share, and subscribe. There will be more videos to come. But go ahead and stay tuned because now I want you to watch this short video that's coming up next, and it will definitely explain more. And if you feel like it's something for you, go ahead and reach out to me so that you too can go ahead and get started and start making your money and your own schedule. All right, I'll catch you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this video and have an amazing day. Peace.
PlanNet Marketing, the best place on the planet.
A place where financial freedom, personal freedom, and time freedom go hand in hand.
A place where you can design the life you want to live, where you can earn more, travel more, save more, experience more.
Building a network of like-minded people, benefiting from the exciting global 24-hour-a-day world of e-commerce.
And earning lucrative travel commissions while you learn the secrets and advantages of being a travel agent.
Founded in 2015 by former Air Force Desert Storm veteran and entrepreneur Donald Bradley.
And operating in over 20 countries, PlanNet is solid, secure, and prepared for massive growth. The company is known for its solid leadership, global experience, and turnkey home-based business solution.
And boasts some of the best, most knowledgeable corporate leadership in the industry, including President and CFO Mr. Andy Cawthon, with decades of management and marketing experience, and COO Leanne Trockler, of operations, support, and field support, and Mr. James Ferrara, co-founder and president of InteleTravel, our exclusive travel partner.
Located in Delray Beach, Florida, InteleTravel is one of the most trusted names in travel, with over 25 years of success.
The original home-based travel agency. They have a coveted A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and are accredited and certified with all major carriers and organizations.
And they have the awards to prove it.
Now, as you may or may not know, every time a flight is booked, a car rented, or a hotel reservation is made, somebody earns a commission. And that can be the beginning of a beautiful business.
And when you become a travel business owner, the entire world of travel is open to you. From family reunions to destination weddings, corporate retreats to alumni excursions, airline tickets, car rentals, hotel stays, even event tickets like concerts or sporting events, even trains, excursions, even vacation home rentals, and every single transaction, commissions. Commissions that you can earn.
And the timing? It's perfect. Already the world's largest industry at $8 trillion per year, experts are predicting it will hit $15 trillion in the next 10 years. Travel is already the #1 searched for item on the internet.
And with baby boomers retiring and millennials already spending $200 billion a year, you will agree this is the perfect business.
Think about it. Virtually every single person you know travels. Why not get paid on what they're going to do anyway?
How does it work? Well, when you become an independent travel agent, what we call an ITA, you get a completely turnkey business with everything you need to succeed. A state-of-the-art website and booking portal, exclusive inventory, world-class training and support, business cards, sales tools, a complete email marketing system.
And best of all, the ability to earn between 70 and 80% of all commissions paid on any and all travel booked through your site.
And that can add up to a lot. Just look at these examples.
Chances are that you know some serious business travelers. If they book through your site instead of one of those no-name sites, not only do they get great rates, but you would earn over $150 in commission on a typical 3-night stay.
Know any golfers? Help set up a 5-day golf event for Foursome in Phoenix and earn over $270, even if you don't even know how to swing a club.
Anyone getting married soon? How about being the hero that helps book a dream honeymoon to Cancun? The newlyweds get luxury accommodations, 5-star service, and a butler. You get over $560 in commission.
Okay, one more. A group cruise. You book 20 cabins for a family reunion cruise to the Caribbean. Your reward? $2,240.17. How many of those could you do in a year, in a month?
And this is not cut-rate vendors or cheap, unwanted inventory. We are talking about the best brands in the travel industry. Literally hundreds of the world's best brands right at your fingertips.
And for those of you who want to dive in and become full-time travel pros, we offer the best, most comprehensive training in the industry.
But not in some stuffy classroom. Because as an InteleTravel agent, you have access to our exclusive InteleTrips.
How about $99 for 4 nights in beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica, while you learn about tropical beaches?
Or 3 nights at Disney for $399 so you can check out all the rides.
Or 7 nights on a Caribbean cruise for a $399 ocean view or $559 balcony room so you can sample world-class dining and a luxury cruise experience.
That's what it's all about. Learning your trade while traveling the world.
And backing you up, the best guarantees in the industry. The best travel price guarantee, the no questions asked 100% money back guarantee, and the unique profit guarantee. Nobody else in the industry offers that.
Now, don't get us wrong. Making money in travel is one of the most enjoyable and exciting ways to earn a living.
But for those who want to take it to a whole different level, we offer the ability to build a team. A chance to show others the advantages of being an ITA, to capitalize on what we call leveraged income, to earn residual checks like rock stars and actors.
Because Warren Buffett said it best, never rely on a single source of income. You must invest to create a second source.
What exactly is leveraged income? Well, let's imagine you are a car mechanic. You fix a car, you get paid. You fix another car, you get paid. You go on vacation, cars aren't fixed, you don't get paid. Now imagine you own a garage. You have 6 mechanics who work for you. Every car they work on, you earn income, even if you are on a tropical beach somewhere. That is leverage. And at PlanNet Marketing, we have multiple ways for you to leverage, like $50 for every direct sale, a 50% check match on all personal referrals, and up to 6 levels of team bonuses.
And as you rise through the ranks from bronze to silver to gold, more bonuses, more checks, more commissions.
And residual income? Well, because of our amazingly generous 3x9 matrix, you can earn hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands a month, every month like clockwork.
And if you decide to go full-time, our phenomenal Fortune 100 style director program, where extra bonuses can grow to thousands of dollars per month.
And as a director, you can earn sapphire, ruby, diamond, and double diamond rings, even a diamond-encrusted Rolex, the pinnacle of success.
Now, it is important to remind everyone watching that not every person who joins PlanNet Marketing gets a diamond Rolex. In fact, some people make no money at all.
Everyone watching this has the exact same opportunity. Male or female, young or old, educated or not, everyone has a level playing field. The more you do, the more you make. It's that simple.
And a huge part of the PlanNet philosophy, it's not just about making money. It's about teaching you tried and true financial principles along the way, showing you how to create wealth, generational wealth.
Our pledge to you, it's one of the most unique in the world. When you become a PlanNet Marketing Director, you and your family is protected because in the event of your death, the PlanNet business you built will outlast you. Your family will still receive your PlanNet Marketing weekly commissions, director pay, director bonuses, and monthly residual income. That is our pledge.
And behind you every step of the way, talented, caring leadership that wants you to succeed. Providing you state-of-the-art tools, training, and events. Tools like our phenomenal phone app that makes sharing videos like this as simple as pushing a button.
Like our exciting international conventions coming soon, where you get to meet the leadership, rub shoulders with the top earners, and possibly get to walk across stage yourself in front of thousands of cheering colleagues.
An exciting, dynamic, and growing industry multiple streams of income, and support. Everything you need for the perfect business.
How do you get started? Simple.
We offer 3 different ways to get started. The most popular is our $199.90 plan, where you can take advantage of both sides of the business, booking travel and selling the ITA business through simple tools and videos like this, leveraging the benefits and perks of 2 great companies.
And that's it. A phenomenal industry with picture-perfect timing. The only question is, where do you see yourself fitting in?
Are you a 1? You see the vision, the timing, and the money, and you are ready to get started.
Are you a 2? Meaning you like what you see, but you have a few more questions you'd like to get answered.
Or are you a 3? You're just not interested. It's okay, just make a decision, 1, 2, or 3. But whatever you do, don't think too long.
And if you decide to join us, know this: we will do everything in our power to help you succeed.
And welcome to PlanNet Marketing, the best place on the planet.